In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in or join an existing Zoom meeting. Okay, so if you are given the login details of a Zoom meeting like we have here, and you open your Zoom app on your system, you want to join an existing meeting. For example, I have been shared this message containing the Zoom meeting link as well as the meeting ID and password. So all you need is to start by copying the meeting ID, and then you can go back to your Zoom application. You can click on join meeting. So you put in the ID here, and then you can type in the name that you want to be recognized with in the meeting. And then you don't connect to audio at this moment or turn off my video. You can ask all of that if you want, and then you can go ahead and click on join. It might request your password, mind you. So here you can disable your audio as well and disable your video as well. Or if you want to select a given device, maybe your mic that you're going to use for the meeting, you can select it from here, or the camera that you're going to use for the meeting as well. You can select it from here. Then you can check in or check out this pop-up to be able to allow you anytime to have this preview before you enter a meeting. Now, if you're okay with this, then you can click on join. And then you've joined the meeting. Some cases you may have to put in that password that you've seen under it. Okay, so now you are in the meeting. So you can decide to mute yourself. Okay, now you are in the meeting. So you can do anything. You can listen to people, and then you can comment and do other things. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.